grounding systems are essential for the safe and reliable operation of electrical power systems. In the event of a ground fault, improperly designed or aged grounding systems can have a major impact. Improper grounding systems may not be able to carry the full fault currents. This may cause damage to primary assets such as transformers, as well as harm or even destroy the function of electrical devices like protection relays and communication equipment. In the event of ground fault, dangerous step and touch voltages can occur inside and outside a substation. An effective grounding system is crucial to ensure people's safety. Our CPC 100, in combination with the coupling unit CPCU1, is the ideal solution to verify the condition of your grounding system. The measurements are cost-effective, fast and reliable. With CPC 100 and CPCU1, you have a lightweight and transportable test system. Injections over long transmission lines and power cables can be covered. For unexpected events in power lines, CPCU1 protects you from dangerous voltage spikes. Line fault currents of up to 30,000 amperes are safely diverted to the ground. With our solution, the assessment is carried out according to IEC and IEEE standards. The CPC 100 uses the so-called Frequency Selective Method to inject a test current into the grounding system. Frequency selected measurements are performed on the resulting voltages, currents to reliably suppress interference and disturbance voltages. This provides very reliable results. The test current can be injected in two different ways. The power line injection uses a disconnected power line to inject the test current via remote grounding system. The current probe injection uses an auxiliary current probe to inject the test current. With our handheld measuring device HGT1, resulting voltages of injection can easily be measured and recorded. It offers a wide dynamic frequency range in combination with high sensitivity. This allows users to measure very small voltages and reliably distinguish them from interference and disturbances. The switchable input resistors of the HGT1 are compliant with the IEC and IEEE step and touch voltage measurements. On top of that, measurement points can be combined with pictures or maps, including GPS locations, to obtain appropriate documentation. This helps with reporting and recurring measurements in the future. So to sum up, here are 3 things to keep in mind. With CPC 100 and CPCU1, measuring ground impedance is cost-effective, fast and reliable. We support IEC and IEEE standard-compliant measurements, including reporting. Our test system protects against unexpected events like dangerous voltage spikes and line fault currents up to 30,000 amperes. For more details, visit our website or contact us directly. I'm Ari Tirroniemi, Application Engineer at OMICRON Electronics. Thanks for watching.